Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like, all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like, blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, Euro USD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, no arguments. We are in the downtrend because I told you this was your rejection, and all these highs are rejected multiple times. Okay, rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. 3 times this resistance has been rejected in weekly time frame. 3 times rejection in weekly. That means we are going down now. Okay, so this weekly time frame is used for positional traders who come and take a look into the weekly time frame, and they then after that position themselves for next 6 to 8 months. Okay, anyways, this confirms the trend is down. Coming back to daily chart, that we are below the EMI, so new downtrend, pullback, new low, pullback, and this looks like the head and shoulder, maybe. Okay, so the point is your short entry was this candle which broke this previous low, maybe. Okay, let's see. Yes, so this candle broke this low. So let me use my line right here. There we go. So this was your candle, or I can use the short position tool as well. So this is your entry right here. Okay, stop loss wherever you want to put, and that's it. So look for shorts in Euro USD. It's no secret. And coming back to 4 hour, the only thing you should do right now is I took my profits right here. So right now it's at 1567. I took my profits around this support. Okay, today I have shared that screenshot in my Telegram group. Join my free Telegram. You will see that screenshot. Okay, I have shared that, and right now it's stalling. Price is stalling, and it is supposed to take a pullback. Okay, so if you want to go short in Euro USD, wait for the pullback, red engulfing candle, then you go down. Okay, that's a neat and clean structure right now. I see. Don't enter short right now. I'm looking for short once this price reaches 1600 plus. Okay, so wait for another 40 pips pullback. Okay, let the pullback happen until maybe the EMA. Maybe the EMA. That's a good scenario. Okay, so wait for the rejection from the EMA. Pullback will happen until the EMA probably. Then red engulfing candle, and then you go down in 4 hours. That's your clean entry in what do you call Euro USD. That's it. Okay. So too much for free, and it's absolutely free. Subscribe, like, and get your free money, and join free Telegram. As I said, join the brokers and check out the software if you want. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.